The first category of data types we cover are the primitive data types. Primitive data types include types that define the most fundamental values like numbers, characters, etc. So if you have to store the number of days in a year, which is a basic singular quantity and its value is 365, then we use primitive data types. Or today's temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, one single value. Or the number of tires in a car, 4, which is one single value. In such cases, we use primitive data types. But on the other end, if I say I have to declare a variable that stores a book, then I can't simply store the value of a book using one single number or a character or one type of text. Storing a book means storing so many properties in a single variable, like book's title, author, publisher, number of pages, edition, and so on. And because so many attributes collectively define an entity called book, that's why such data types are called complex data types. So variables of primitive data types store one single value, whereas the variables of complex data types store multiple attributes. We will explore the primitive data types first. Primitive data types are further categorized into numeric and non-numeric data types. And the numeric data types can be further subdivided into two types: integral, that store integer numbers only, and floating point data types that store fractional values or decimal numbers. Integral data types can only store integer numbers, and here is the list of integer data types with different capacities like byte, short, int, long, and char. Let's have a quick look at the comparison of integral data types, and then we head to our programming session on integral data types.